everyone, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we are going to see a new topic in our math that will be measurement. This is a studio book, page number 131 children. 6th lesson, measurement. Why do we need different units of measurement? Why we are using different units of measurement? In this lesson, we are going to discuss use various units to measure objects around us. We have to use various units to measure the objects around us. Convert one unit to another. How to convert one unit to another? Solve problem based on length, mass and capacity. Three we are going to discuss in this lesson, that will be length, mass and capacity. Based on these we are going to see the problems in this lesson, children. Now we are going to today's session, that will be activity number 6.1, PEP activity in your studio book, page number 131 children. Read the ruler that is placed along the pencil in the figure 1. Write the length of the pencil. See, here one ruler is there. In the top of the ruler, the pencil is placed on the ruler. Okay children, now we have to see the length of the pencil. Now we are going to measure the length of the pencil using this ruler. See here, number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. Till 4 is there. It will be in the length of 4 centimeter. Length of the pencil is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Now the second one will be, what is the length of the stick in the figure 2? Tick the correct option. See here, one stick is placed on the ruler. It will be in the middle of 7 and 8. See here, it will be ending this one. This will be middle of 7 and 8. Here the options are, the length of the stick is 7 centimeter. See here, it is above of 7 centimeter. Then 8 centimeter, no, it is below of 8 centimeter. Between 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Is it correct? Because it will be in the length of between of 7 and 8 centimeter. You have to take this option. Next, studio book, page number 132 children. To measure the length of objects that fall between two numbers on a centimeter ruler, we use units smaller than a centimeter. Now, see the before example, it will be in 7 and 8 between. For this, we can use the unit smaller of centimeter. Okay, now we will use the unit. We use the unit millimeter. Centimeter, smaller unit is called it as millimeter, which is smaller than a centimeter. It is written as mm. It is called it as millimeter, written as mm. Look at the marking on the ruler in the figure 3. See here, one ruler is there. Here, number 0 to 1 centimeter. In between of 0 to 1, there will be small lines are there. Okay. There are many small lines between 0 and 1 on the ruler. The space between these small lines measure 1 millimeter each. See here, the small one line is called it as 1 millimeter. Then second millimeter, third millimeter. Like that we have to call the small line as a millimeter. How many millimeters are there between 0 and 1? Count and write answer in the box provided. We have to count the small lines starting in the 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There will be 10 lines are there. So you have to write it here 10. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, because 0 to 1 we having 10 small lines. So it will be called it as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now let us now measure the stick in pep activity 6.1. See the stick now. It will be in between of 7 and 8. Now we have to count the millimeter lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is consist of 5 millimeters. So the length of the stick is 7 centimeter and 5 small lines are there. So 5 millimeter. Like that we have to measure the length of any object in the ruler in centimeter and millimeter also, children. Next, look deep activity. Activity number 6.2. Look at the pictures given. If you were to measure the length of these objects in real life, which unit would you use? Millimeter, centimeter or meter? Which are all the units we have to use to find the length of the objects? Fill in the boxes with the unit you would use. One has been done for you. Studio book page number 133, children. This is activity 6.2. Objects are given. First one will be pin, safety pin. It is measured by millimeter. Then second one will be the spoon. Spoon is in the units of centimeter. Then it will be our thumb finger. We have to measure the thumb finger using the unit centimeter. Then car. Car measured in the unit in meter. Now, how did you decide on the unit of measurement for each object? How would you measure the unit for each object? We have to select the unit based on the length of the objects. Based on the length of the objects, because here safety pin will be smaller one, so we have to use a smaller, so we have to use millimeter. Then the car will be the longer one. For longer one length we have to use the unit, we have to use meter. The spoon will be in the correct length of smaller or bigger. Not only that, it will be measured in centimeter. Based on the length we have to select the unit. Based on the length of the object we select the unit to measure. Like that you have to write the answer, children. Next activity 6.3, look around activity. Walk into a garden, list the things that can be measured in millimeters, centimeters and meter. You have to go into the garden, then you have to list the things. What are all the things measured in millimeter, centimeter and meter? This will be your home fun. You have to check what are the things. You have to write it here, children. Name of the objects. Next, to make it easier, we measure larger objects in meter and smaller object in centimeter. To measure tiny objects in millimeter. For larger object we have to use meter, smaller object centimeter, very tiny object we have to use a millimeter. A measuring tape is used to measure objects in meter. Used to measure in the object in meters. For measuring tape, using tape we can calculate the length of the object in meter, children. Next, here are examples of object whose length are measured in millimeter, centimeter and meters are given here. Length of an ant, it will be in 5 millimeter. The length of the ant will be in 5 millimeter. Then length of the ruler, it is consist of 30 centimeter. Next, height of the table will be in 1 meter. For like that, we have to use centimeter, meter and millimeter, children. For the larger object, we have to measure the object in meter, smaller object in centimeter, tiny objects in millimeter. Next, studio book page number 134, 6.4 activity. What do you think the length or height of these objects are? Tick the correct option. Object is length of an ant. In which unit we can use? More than 10 millimeter or less than 10 millimeter. Length will be in less than 10 millimeter. Then length of the shoe. It is more than 30 centimeter or less than 30 centimeter. Yes, less than 30 centimeter alone. Height of the door. More than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. Yes, 1 meter, more than 1 meter. Next, height of your friend, it will be in more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. Yes, more than 1 meter. You have to measure the units in this way also. Next one, hands-on activity, activity number 6.5 in studio book page number 134, children. Use a ruler to measure the length of the following objects. Fill in the boxes with the length of the given objects in centimeter and millimeter. First one, there will be a ruler also. See here, one rope is there. Here 0 to 9, then it is in the millimeter also. So we have to count the millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. The length of the rope will be 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Second one, there will be a pencil. For this, you have to place a ruler here. Like that, you have to place the ruler, then you have to calculate the length of the pencil. See here, 7, then 7, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 millimeters are there. So you have to write 7 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Then pause the video here. Then you have to place your ruler and find the length of the objects now. Check your answer with my answer, children. Fifth question, length of your desk you have to measure and write. Next one, Aryan and Sarah are discussing whose belt is longer. These two people are having belts. They want to check whether which person is having longer one. Hey Sarah, my belt is so long. It is 1 meter long. Aryan's telling my belt is 1 meter long. Then Sarah is telling, oh, mine is longer. It is 100 centimeters. It is in the length of 100 centimeters. Then we have to find it now. Whose belt is longer? Whose belt do you think longer? See here 1 meter, here 100 centimeter. We already know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter in the last class. So it will be in the equal length. Right here, both belts are equal because 1 meter and 100 centimeter both are same. To compare length of different units, we first need to convert them into the same unit. First, we have to convert them into the same unit. Let us convert meter into centimeter. Meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. While we are converting meter into centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Since 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeter, so both Aryan's and Sarah's belts are of the length same only. Like that, we have to compare the two objects by converting of same unit, children. Next, studio book, page number 136, children. The length of a string A is 220 centimeter and the length of the string B is 2 meter long. Which string is longer? Which string is longer? We have to find out string A or string B, which one is the longer one. For that, let us convert the length of the string B into centimeter to measure the length of the strings. To compare the two strings, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. For here 2 meter long is given, so 2 meter is 2 times of 100 centimeter, which is 2 into 100. We have to multiply 100 by 2. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter. Therefore, the length of string B is 200 centimeter. Now that both are in the centimeter, which string is longer? Take the answer now. See here. String B is 200 centimeter. String A is 220 centimeter. In these two items, which one is longer? Yes, B. A answer will be the answer because here 200 is there. Here 220 is there. So, string A will be the longer one. To convert a measurement from meter to centimeter, we multiply the measurement meter by 100. We have to multiply meter by 100. Converting of 1 meter to centimeter, first we have to multiply meter by 100, children. Next, activity number 6.6 in your studio book, page number 136, children. Convert the given lengths from meter to centimeter. Here first one 5 meter is given. For that we have to multiply by meter by 100. 5 into 100 will be 500. So 500 centimeter. 9 meter, 9 into 100 will be 900 centimeter. Third question, 24 meter, 2400 centimeter. Then 41 meter, 4100 centimeter. 55 meter, 5500 centimeter. Like that, you have to convert meter into centimeter, children. For that, we have to multiply a meter by 100. Next, companion activity 6A. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 57, children. Activity number 6A. Convert the following measures from meter to centimeter. Convert the following measures from meter to centimeter, children. For that, meter to centimeter, we have to multiply the meter by 100. So here some measures are given, measurements are given. You have to do the multiplication and write the answers, children. Complete it and upload it in the Chrysalis app, children. Till this, we are coming end of today's session. In today's session, we have discussed about how to measure the length of the object using different unit like meter, centimeter and millimeter. Then for the larger unit, we can use meter, or for the smaller object, we can use the centimeter, and a tiny object, we can use the measurement in the units of millimeter. Then for the conversion of centimeter to meter, we have to multiply 100 by meter. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session, children.